Hey everyone, John for Popeye's Postcards. I know it's been a couple months since I've posted a video, and don't get too excited because I'm not back. Just back for this video. Um, I want to thank everybody over the years. I think I did videos for almost 3 years, a couple hundred videos over that time, and I want to thank everybody for taking the time and watching the videos I put out. I know a lot of people got a lot of value out of those videos that I unselfishly shared with everybody. The knowledge that I've gained over 20 some years of selling postcards. I put that information out there with zero expectations of receiving anything from anybody. So this is, I guess, a goodbye video. I'm done with these videos, um, and I've been really struggling with trying to figure out how to convey why I'm done. And when I started these videos again, it was for no other reason except to share my knowledge. I really thought the postcard hobby was going to go away because of a lot of they're old people collect postcards, just from my observations at postcard club meetings and postcard shows. I wanted to do these videos and hopefully inject some youth and some new people into the hobby. I think I did that. And again, just wanted to share my knowledge. And I did that again unselfishly. And I I found that several people really have taken severe advantage of what I put out there. So I'm gonna put this video out there and pretty much just let it sit for maybe a month or so, and then Popeye's Postcards is going away. I'm gonna delete the channel, and my good friend Chris from Thrift Shop Hustler, told me not to um, take drastic measures to delete stuff because you end up coming back. And I did that once. I disappeared for a while, took down the channel, and ended up putting it back up again. But this time, I think I'm done. I'm done fighting. I spent 20 some years fighting people every day, trying to help them be a better person, and that didn't work out very well over 26 years. So I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired of being taken advantage of. So let me show you why. And this is a tough video to make. I've struggled with making it, what to say, for probably a couple months. I was gonna probably come back for that third time, and thinking of ways to come back. What could I do differently? What else could I offer? And I'll show you. I'm just going to show you. I mean, this is probably the biggest dick move that people can make. So I was thinking about doing a website, maybe opening a store on it, making it another place for people to go to learn things. So when you go to www.popeyespostcards.com, and I've been using Popeye's Postcards for at least 10 years since I started the store, but I've had the nickname Popeye and Spinach Eater as a store name. Well, the nickname Popeye I've had for, I think it was 10 years before eBay even existed, and ever since I started on eBay in '98, so 22 years ago, I've used Spinach Eater to play on Popeye. And anyway, so when you go to popeyespostcards.com, you get redirected to an eBay seller and the name is The Card Empire. And what this guy did, I looked into it back in September of last year, 19. This guy registered the domain name Popeye's Postcards, um, and has redirected it to his eBay store, and he sells postcards. So obviously he took the information and what I was giving away for free and has now monopolized that. Now, shame on me for not having the foresight to register Popeye's Postcards, but really, I mean, how I have a YouTube channel with free information uh, that I only had like 2,200 watchers or subscribers. How pathetically, just how pathetic do you have to be, or how pathetically desperate do you have to be that you think you're going to monopolize on a guy with 2,200 subscribers? It just, I haven't contacted this guy. I have looked into, I've done some, just some research, about internet domain names. This guy did register the domain name primarily to disrupt the business of a competitor. I sell postcards, he sells postcards, and he's going to take something that I've used for, quite a while and monopolize on it. Or he's attempting to attract users to a website for commercial gain by creating a likelihood of confusion with the trademark. I can't trademark Popeye, I don't think. It is in the public domain in some places, but it's a nickname that I've had for 30 some years. And anyway, so I'm not going to go through, I guess I could file a dispute, but it's really not worth it. So I'm going to put this out, in the court of public opinion. And it's just, what a pathetic piece of shit. And who knows, maybe it's not that bad. People could say, well, he's just finding that niche and trying to make money off of it. But really, it's stuff I gave away for free, and he's trying to monopolize on it. So I haven't contacted Westfo8, whoever the hell he is or she. Just pathetic. So, like I said, I'm tired. I'm done fighting. So I'm sure this will get downvoted to hell, but I don't care. I'm only going to have the video up for, like I said, a couple months, maybe a month, maybe only a couple weeks, just to just put that out there, that's the reason to say goodbye, bye, and to pretty much tell you I'm taking my ball and going home. And that's what it is. I'm taking my ball, my information, my knowledge, and I'm leaving. So good luck to all you. I hope you all do make lots of money selling postcards on eBay, but I'm not going to be sharing any more information about it. Childish, yeah, but you know what, I'm pissed, and just circle my own wagons, take care of myself, and that's it. So thank you, Westfo8. Just thanks. That way I know I don't have to come back. I know I don't have to share any more information. There's a lot of time, money, and effort to put those videos together, and I don't have to spend that anymore. So with that, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching everything else. And for those 2,200 and some odd subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. Sorry to waste your time with this 9-minute video. The only advice I will leave you with is watch my Bolo videos. Write that stuff down, because they're gone in about a month. That's it.